7 supposedly healthy foods that can ruin your diet. Even when you think you're eating healthy, you may want to think again. There are some foods pretending to be healthier than they really are, or they may be healthy only if you don't overdo them. Here are 7 foods that could be undermining your attempts to lose weight. Number 1. Sandwich wraps. Trying to cut the calories on your sandwich by switching to a wrap? These round flour tortillas may stack up to the same calorie count as 3 or 4 slices of bread. Be especially careful when ordering wraps at delis and restaurants, as these wraps tend to have the largest circumferences, 10 inches or more. Number 2. Bottled juice blends. They may promise to deliver multiple servings of fruits and vegetables, but these drinks often come with a hefty dose of added sugars, plus a bottle full of calories, upwards of 200 per serving. There's no slurpable replacement for fiber-filled whole fruits and veggies. Number 3. Frozen diet meals. Words like lean and fit or smart can dupe a health-conscious consumer into thinking they're making a wise choice, but many frozen entrees are processed junk in disguise. Armed with plenty of sodium and long lists of other preservatives, you'd be much better off sharpening your meal prep skills. Number 4. Enhanced waters. Whether they are spiked with supplemental vitamins, artificial sweeteners, other questionable additives, or all of the above, there are clearly better ways to stay hydrated. Check ingredient labels carefully, as many of these beverages are more processed than they seem. Number 5. Canned soup. Opening a can of soup at the end of a busy day may not be the healthy option you bargained for. In addition to the ghastly amounts of sodium that canned soups are famous for, there are also plenty of thickeners, coloring agents and other chemicals sealed in those cans. Some brands offer lower sodium varieties that still manage to pack in 1/3 of your daily dose of salt per serving. Add some fresh veggies and leftover chicken to a low-sodium boxed chicken or vegetable broth instead. Number 6. Natural flavors. This term is used for a plethora of ingredients added to food to enhance flavor and aroma. While they are derived from plant or animal products, they are made in a laboratory, and likely less natural than you think. A better option would be whole foods, where the flavor and smell come from nothing but real food, herbs and spices. Number 7. Whole grain pasta. Whole grain breads, pastas and cereals are certainly the best options to boost fiber, vitamins and minerals, but portions still matter. 2 cups of cooked whole wheat pasta contains 420 calories. Compare that with the 4 to 6 cup servings that most restaurants offer. For the healthiest meal option, toss pasta with fresh veggies and protein from lean meats and legumes to make it satisfying without excessive portions. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.